Hi Capricorns, this is your next 10 days reading starting from 21st to the 31st of December. I'm going to look at the energies which are going to be around you, surrounding you and affecting you. I will be telling you which of these energies are good for you, which of these are not so good and what to do. I'll give you the advice and I will also give you the outcome what is going to be after the 10 days. So before that, I'll be reading out a card from the Angels Abundance deck. It is saying, do the work. So the message is printed, I am reading it out. It's not enough to dream or pray. You have also got to take the positive action steps that you are being divinely guided to take. Consistently working on your priorities will make them flourish like a lush flower garden. So you have to execute what you are thinking, you have to execute what you are manifesting. That is important. So as we go forward, I see precisely these cards. You are going to be in the energy of doing lot of hard work. That is 8 of Pentacles. You are going to work very hard to get your financial security. You have to show your work, you have to keep on working so that your work is seen by others. So you will be showing off your skills, you will be showing off in business, showing off not in the manner showing off word is used. It means that your work will be seen by others. Some of you are learning something, some of you are doing apprenticeship, some of you are studying and working. So there is a kind of direction which you have got now. And people who didn't have a job, this means that you will finally get a job. And the power of manifestation. So what is the power of manifestation? With the Magician card, it says that your Mercury is strong right now. What you have to do is to think positively, work according to your goal, make a plan and manifest those goals which you have already thought about. So you need to not worry about other things. Rather than that, you have to concentrate on your work, whatever you are doing. If you are worried about your business, please carry on doing your business like routine. Keep carry don't try new things, keep doing those things which are important, because the 10 days is a short period. So in this period you just have to keep on working, keep on doing the same thing again and again, because while you are doing this, you are going to be recognized for your diligence. So you will be sincere and diligent in your work and your work will be seen. The power of manifestation is also there. So whatever you are communicating, whatever you are trying to disseminate from your side will be accepted, will be acknowledged. So you have to think only positive. So positive thinking will help you in manifestation of positive results. So that is what is important. So as you go forward, I see some of you are starting a collaboration, some of you are working with others, you are working in a team. So the teamwork becomes important and something new, or you will be laying a foundation for something new. So it is a start, a beginning of a new career, new work, new organization, new something in your life. So it will be bringing in your pentacles, it will be bringing in money. So you will be showcasing your work in collaboration with the team and the team will work fine. Because of this, you are going towards your Queen of Pentacles situations. The Queen of Pentacles situation means that you will be overall able to nurture your things, whatever you want to do in career, money, job and finance. And this, if it is regarding love, if some of you are watching this reading to get some love tips, the Magician card, the 8 of Pentacles card, the 3 of Pentacles card and the Queen of Pentacles card is saying that your love life will see positive manifestations and it will be stabilized because of your work towards your love. So this means that for those of you who are watching this reading for love information, because this is a general reading, so this means that a stabilized condition will come. And also those lovers who were looking for a stabilized career for their better love situation, it is going to happen for you. It is going to happen for you. Your lover will be happy. You will be able to nurture and care for them. You will be able to do good business, and the balance will be there in that practical sense. The balance will be there because this is your own energy right now for the next 10 days. This is the Queen of Pentacles. This is your earth sign. This means the earth queen will be embodied by you, Capricorns. So as you go forward, I see a rightful, justice situation happening. If you were facing some theft, if you were facing some deception, if you were facing some, demoralization regarding, unfavorable, judgments by others, you will be judged right this time. You will be judged right, and some air sign energy or a situation like this, or a good news from a very fast good news will come, which will change your situation for the better, for a balance. So a Libra can come in, a Libra sign can come in and can change your situation, can do a welcome change, can be very fast, who can bring in some good information, because this justice situation can also mean that this is a Libra person, this is an air sign Libra person who is coming in, bringing in welcome change, who is doing fast changes, who comes and who goes, but brings in something good for you. So what is happening is, maybe a good news is coming, maybe a justice situation is favorable for some of you, maybe some of you are getting good assessment by your company, some of you are signing new contracts, some of you are very fast, in a very fast manner, getting absorbed in a company, new jobs are coming in, something good is happening in your life, or an information is coming which will balance your situation. For some of you, this means that you are cutting the clutter, you are able to cut any kind of illusion and bring in a new change in your life. So this is happening for you, and you are basically trying to balance your situation, trying to see the truth, trying to be righteous, trying to be honest in a certain situation, signing some contract, or looking at something which is a commitment. So this is the kind of energy which is coming in. When you go forward in this 10 days, some of you will be leaving a very dreadful situation, a situation of high responsibility, or situation of burden. You will be releasing this burden to take a break. Some of you will take a break and meditate, withdraw from a certain thing, or be in isolation to understand and work out your goals for near future. So I see, for some of you, while you are doing this break situation, you will be able to solve many problems, and what will happen is, a direction is coming in, energy is coming in into you, a fast wand energy of 8 of wands is coming, fast communication, fast travel, fast these 8 of wands are energy wands coming in towards you. These wands means that a direction towards a certain thing will be shown to you, toward which will take you towards your growth and progress. So some news coming in, some contracts coming in, some destination where you have to go to upgrade your situation, you have to take up a job, you have to travel, you have to do business dealings. These things are happening. So while these things are happening, you are crossing some rivers and waters, some of you in physical sense, some of you are moving on from a bad situation to a good situation, you are rowing out of troubled things to a better conducive atmosphere, a peaceful atmosphere. So I see a good direction happening in your next 10 days. This is going to change your circumstances, and you will go towards your joy, your victory, your enjoyment, your success. Some of you getting recognition, some of you are regenerating yourself after an illness, some of you are seeing your mothers recuperating, or a spouse recuperating, kids recuperating from any disease or any problem. You will see overall health and happiness in your family as well. Some of you are really getting out of a bad situation into a good situation. A successful situation is coming in with the World card. Some of you will be ending one chapter, going towards a new chapter. This process is happening for you. This World card keeps coming again and again for you. This is the Saturn card. This is showing you the work you have done and the result which is coming after that, and a new beginning is happening for you. So this is the energy which is stalking you forever now, Capricorn. So this is happening for you. You are going towards your World card. You are going towards something good. You are going to a new country. Some of you are going towards a new chapter in your life. You are going towards something, a new beginning which will be good for you, and success in completing something. So some of you are finishing studies, going to a new job. Some of you are quitting an old job and going to a new career change, to a business or a job. So your fortune wheel is turning with the World card. This means you're going towards a favorable situation. Your good karma will bring good results. Your bad karma can bring bad results. So be careful about your karma, because this is the wheel of karma. This is the wheel of fortune. So as you do, so will you get. So your work is important. So the angel message to the work is important. Do the work, do the good work, do something good, for people, and never treat someone badly. You will get your wheel of fortune turning in your favor. So finally the outcome is 6 of Wands. This means victory over a situation of a situation where you felt wounded, where you felt that you can't go on forever, but you will not give up and you will go on. So it is a victory over that. Your things, people who were waiting for their goods to come, people who were waiting for results, they will have the results and they will get a victory over that. People who were heartbroken because of certain situation in their job, career, or their love life or their family life, they will get over this 3 of Swords situation. People who were not feeling well, they will get over their heartbreak situation regarding their circumstances, and the victory will come for you eventually. So you will be victorious. People will see from where you are coming from, how much effort you have given. So there will be a public recognition. There will be, for some of you, acknowledgement. Your family will acknowledge you, your friends will acknowledge you, your wife will acknowledge you, lover will acknowledge you, or your colleagues will acknowledge you, or company will acknowledge you. Some accomplishment will happen, some promotion can happen, some reward can happen. You will feel good, you will feel victorious. That is what I see. So the angels are advising, your new love situation is coming, beginning in new love is coming. Someone from the water sign or the Knight of Cups is coming, who is embodying the spirit of Knight of Cups, who is bringing in some fresh new beginning for you, some opportunity for you, something in love or career, money, job and finance. A good offer is coming to you which will be loved by you, which you will like, which you will think that it will give you a new beginning. You will be able to get out of your 10 of Wands energy. This is high responsibility, high burden situation, and this is the last stage. That's what the angels are telling you, because this has come twice, and with that you are getting other good cards. So the combination is saying that you will be able to get out of this and a new situation will develop for you. So whatever it is you are facing, it is a crisis in love, it is a burden in love or burden in job, high responsibility, bad situation, disturbed situation, you are going to get out of it. You are going to start a new chapter. A fresh new beginning is going to happen to you. So this is all from my side, my dear Capricorns. If you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe my channel, share it with other Capricorns, and also you can ask me questions, specific questions, or we can do face to face reading. If you want one, I will tell you how to book one if you leave in a comment in the comment box. So that's it from my side. Wish you all the best. Happy New Year for 2021. Bye bye.